Have you ever been staring down a bank statement wondering exactly where your money went this month? Let's be honest, it happens to the best of us. Maybe you're trying to figure out if that weekend getaway really put a dent in your savings, or perhaps you're just curious about where your daily latte habit ranks amongst your other expenses. That's where budgeting apps like PocketGuard come in. They help you categorize your spending, track your bills, and even identify areas where you can cut back. But with so many budgeting tools out there, you might be wondering, can you share a PocketGuard account with someone else? Maybe it's your significant other, a roommate, or even a whole family trying to get their finances in order together. The answer, well, it depends. Let's dive deeper into how PocketGuard works and explore the financial pros and cons of sharing an account with another person. Budgeting buddies, the allure of shared finances. There's a certain romance to the idea of completely intertwined finances, especially for couples or families. Sharing a PocketGuard account could be a great way to promote financial transparency, hold each other accountable, and work towards common financial goals. Imagine sitting down together, going over your spending habits, and brainstorming ways to save for that dream vacation or finally knock out that pesky debt. PocketGuard excels at categorizing your spending, making it easy to see exactly where your money goes. You could use this to your advantage by creating shared goals and tracking your progress together. For example, maybe you're saving up for a down payment on a house. PocketGuard can help you visualize how much you're collectively contributing each month and how close you are to reaching your target. On a more practical level, sharing an account can simplify managing joint expenses. Utility bills, groceries, rent, all these shared costs can be easily tracked and divided within the app. This eliminates the need for separate spreadsheets or awkward back-and-forth calculations, keeping everything organized and transparent. The flip side, sharing can be scary. While sharing a PocketGuard account has its merits, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider. First and foremost, privacy. Not everyone is comfortable giving another person complete access to their financial data. Every purchase you make, every subscription you have, it's all out there. This can be especially true for couples who haven't been together for a long time, or if one partner is a more private person by nature. Even the most trusting relationships can be strained by financial disagreements. PocketGuard might expose underlying spending habits that could cause friction. Maybe one partner spends a lot more on clothes than the other, or perhaps there's a hidden subscription service someone forgot to mention. Suddenly, a budgeting app designed to bring you closer financially becomes a battleground for spending discrepancies. Another thing to consider is accountability. If you're using PocketGuard to track your individual spending habits for personal improvement, having another person looking over your shoulder might be counterproductive. It can feel discouraging or lead to judgment, hindering your motivation to stick to your budget. So can you share a PocketGuard account? Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to share a PocketGuard account is a personal one. There's no right or wrong answer. It all depends on your specific situation and your comfort level with financial transparency. Here are some questions to ask yourself before you decide. How comfortable am I sharing my financial data with this person? Do we have similar financial goals? Are we good at communicating openly and honestly about money? Here are some alternative solutions to consider if sharing an account isn't ideal. Create separate PocketGuard accounts and connect them. This allows you to maintain individual privacy while still having a high-level view of your shared finances. Use a different budgeting app designed for couples or families. These apps often have features specifically tailored to shared finances and goals. The old-fashioned way, grab a notebook and pen and create a budget together. While not as tech-savvy, it can be a great way to have a face-to-face conversation about your finances. Remember, communication is key. Regardless of whether you choose to share a PocketGuard account or not, talk openly and honestly with your partner or roommate about your financial goals and spending habits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.